Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to subscribe to Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to subscribe Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, you can see this login button at the top right. Just simply tap into that and enter your email or phone number that you used into your account. And after that, enter your account password into here. Then click to this sign in button, and after tapping into that sign in button, this page will appear. And after this, Netflix will send an email to you, and into this email you just simply have to tap into continue button. Then after tapping into continue, this page will appear. Just simply click to finish sign in option. And after that, you can choose any of the plans to subscribe the Netflix. The first one is mobile plan, which will cost you 2.99 USD, and second option is basic, which will cost you $1 extra, and the third option is standard, which will cost you 7.99 USD. And the last and the most popular plan is premium, which will give you the option to play the videos or contents in 4K plus SDR option, which will cost you nearly $10 per month. After choosing the suitable plan for your account, just simply tap into this next button. And as the last step, you just simply have to continue to send the payment. Just simply enter your credit card or PayPal and pay any amount depending on your package. Then you will successfully be subscribed to Netflix. By following these very easy steps, you can easily subscribe to Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.